After a short few, mostly disappointing days with the Razr, here we go with the Motorola, or not Motorola, wow, Samsung Galaxy Z Flip. Z on the outside, Flip on the inside. And what do we got? Revolutionary, blah, blah, blah. Welcome to the next experience. And here is the infamous warning. Don't use your fingernail. Don't put it in the pocket with your keys. Don't get it wet. Don't put any screen protectors on. And keep it away from your credit cards. I got the black finish. They didn't have anything matte, so shiny it is. Plastic removed. Haven't folded it yet, but you can definitely see the crease in the middle, a little bit more visible than the Razr. Power up. I'll set this here and take a look at the accessories. We have a charger, looks like quick charge, USB-A. Hate getting USB-A in 2020, especially on a premium device.
Let's get started. Let me help you get set up more easily by guiding you through the steps.
Apparently it talks to you. Let's turn that part off. What do we got here? This is a USB on-the-go adapter, it looks like. Probably for transferring from an older device. So we got a C to A female. Got a, once again, A to C charging cable that goes with the charger. And a pair of AKG wired headphones, which I will probably never use. Back to the phone. We've got the setup wizard. Let's try out the fold. Definitely a bit of a stiff fold compared to the Razr. There's the tiny outside screen. Really at any point from here, you can stop unfolding it and it will stand up on its own. So that's kind of cool. Some of the articles I read said it was like 3 stopping positions, but you can really stop it anywhere throughout that continuum and it'll hold itself there. Once it gets towards the very end, it's a bit spring-loaded and it'll pop the rest of the way out. So you can't keep it at like a very severe angle. Alright, that's it. See you guys on the next one.